Okay, we're good. This is a counting on and counting back in ones to add and subtract. Okay, so looking at this strategy, get your child counting by rote first of all. So you can get them to record it or say it. I'm going to start with 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you get them to start at 6 and just count on some numbers, okay? Get them to hold number 14 in their head, count on 15, 16, 17, etc. Get them to pick a different number. It could be a bigger number. It could just be still in the teens or beyond. It could be 31, 32, 33, 34, and so on. So get them practicing that by rote. Get them doing it backwards as well. Very important. What goes up must come back down. Okay, so you could get them starting at 30, 29, 28, 27, and so on. You could get them doing 18, 17, 16, 15, and so on. Okay, so lots of practicing. Get them saying it repetitively would be super. It's really beneficial to the child if they can say it and hear it and do it constantly. Next thing I want you to have a look at is your number lines. So when we're counting on, say we had a calculation, use a different number line here. Say we had a calculation, we have, let's say it is 7 plus 5. Okay, and we want to find the total. So we're going to start at number 7 because it's the biggest number and it's easier to add on the smaller number. Okay, so we're going to start at number 7. So get your child to find number 7 on their number line. So number 7, or you can put a wee dot at the top as well, or a tick, or just something to show the starting point. And when we're counting on, you can tell a child that the number will get bigger. So we're going up the number line to count on, and we're going down the number line when we're counting back. Okay, so counting on is adding, and you can show them if you've got a Numicon line like this that the numbers are getting bigger. The quantities are getting bigger, a bigger value. And as you count back, it's reducing. The number is reducing. Okay, so we're counting on, we're adding on just now. So 7, add on 5. Let's show them counting 5 jumps on the number line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number you land on is the total, is the answer. So a 10 plus a 2 more is 12. So 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, that's the counting on strategy. And we're only counting on in ones here. You can do it in other numbers, and there'll be different strategies, adding on 10, adding on 100, adding on 15, where you would add 10 first and then add the 5 if it was adding on 15. But right now, this is the first step in the counting on strategy. So counting on in ones. Okay. So let's try another number. Let's see if we can have another go. So you might get a calculation like, you can sometimes use a rubber to get this off as well if you're finding it a bit tough. Let's try 4 plus 9 equals. What does this equal? 4 plus 9. And this is the same strategy whether doesn't matter what numbers, what values, what digits here you're using. It's the same strategy for any number. Okay, so we've got 4 plus 9. 9 is the bigger number. So right now I'm just going to write the commutative of this. 9 plus 4, because I know that it's easier to start from the bigger number. So I'm actually going to start at number 9. So get your starting point on your number line. So 9. And then I'm going to add on 4 jumps. It's easier just to jump the 4 than it is to do 9 big jumps. It's quicker as well, isn't it? So 9 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is the number that I land on, number 13. 10 plus 3 more is 13. The answer is 13. Okay, so this is the count on in 1's strategy.